Okay, hi Jammers, welcome to my next video. I always say that actually. And yeah, today I'll be playing Best Dress because I love the game. It's really, well, I love Best Dress. It's really fun. I often play it, and yeah, that's a random video actually. And so yeah, I'll be adding another video today, and I'll be like, will be about a fun game, which I play. It's multiplayer, and it's called Dragon's Den. Actually, it's impressive title server, and I like it. I'll be showing it to you. So yeah, so let's play Best Dress now. Okay, so let's dress silly because I don't know. I love dressing silly here. Oh, where is an eyeball? I wanna wear an eyeball. I don't know why. Oh my god. Where is that? Okay, I didn't notice it at first. Red tile. Let's. Okay. I think I'll add wings too. This. I'm trying to to be funny. This designer skirt always makes me laugh. I don't know why. Snowshoes. Oh my. Pink purse. No, it looks weird. Okay. So I may change something. Warren blanket. No. No. That's weird. Oh my god. Okay, I'm so stupid. What can I wear? Okay, never mind. It's best for school. Oh, I like the them. Okay, I usually wear like, well, I dress like that, the usual style. Um, I don't know, fancy top hat maybe. Why isn't there a tie? It's good for school because, well, some people wear ties at school, so I don't know, a diamond ring, a glove. A glove is cool. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's vote. I like this one. I always make that sunglasses face because I love it. It's just so fun and yeah. I am so laughing. Yay. Oh my. Strange sounds. Oh, I have second place. I'm so happy. Thank you. Okay, one vote. At least one. What's the next level? Tell me what's the next level. Sorry. Ninja? Oh my god. I like the stem. I think I'll be like that. Where's there's no ninja mask. I hate that. No, but dress is actually really cool. Maybe this. Should I wear it for ninja? Okay, I'll be like that. Just I don't have an idea how to wear. I mean, how to dress. What am I saying? Okay, let's wait until I'm so impatient. Waiting for other. Okay. Oh, that's cool. You actually look like a ninja for me. What the? I'll make that face, that scary face. Oh, you. Yeah. The winners. Oh, I'm last. Why? Why did she have first place? She didn't vote actually. Sorry, I'm sick. Or was it a... Never mind. 5 minutes already. Okay, a robot. I like this, I think. Okay. I'll be a weird, strange robot. I don't know how to dress like. Guys, help me. Oh, yeah, spikes are good for it. Spikes are good for robot. Okay. Respect. Wristband is good too. What? I didn't notice that headdress. Okay. I'm hoping for at least second place. What? Oh, cool one. He'll be first, I know it. Why do I make that face full time? Oh my god. My videos are so boring in the beginning. Well, it's always the beginning, so... Yay, I'm first! Thank you guys. 2 votes, yeah. I actually don't know what to record. I wanted to make an Animal Jam music video, but something's messed up with my video makers. I just can't turn any video makers on, and last time I got a virus, so it's not good. I'm afraid of viruses. And so I'll make like white eyes. Okay, white. Brightest. Oh my god, I need to be faster. Okay. This fast something. I'm losing time. Oh my god. Okay. Actually, I'm not really bright. I'm just wait. Well, no, I'm bright. This is bright. Oh, I'm shiny. I wanted to say that I'm not shiny at all. My fails just... At least I'm third. Okay. 4 star. I'm impatient, sorry. My grammar is killing me. Killing me. Desert? Oh, I used to think that it's like lonely or something. Oh wait, house? I'll just search desert. Oh my god, I love that cake. Oh my... Yeah, I'll be a cake. Because... I'll be cake. I don't know why I'm dressed like that. Okay. That looks cool. Oh, yeah. I'm losing time. Come on. Oh, yeah. I didn't make it. Oh my god, cool one. How am I dressed like? Oh my god. I should wear this. These, I meant. Let's wait. Wait. Sorry for my strange sounds, guys. Sorry a lot. Oh my. I don't know if I said, but in next video I'll be showing you a fun game. It's called Dragon's Den, and it's actually like it's impressive title server, but it's really fun and it's so cool. I think I said that, but I don't know. I have no idea. God, I hate being sick, but you can't go to school. It's like the best chance not going to school. Okay. Okay, this or this. I don't know. Okay. I'm done. Okay. Yeah. This looks happy, I think. I think I'll do one more then, because video time will run out, so sorry. Sorry, those videos are so short, but it's not my fault. It's just like Screencast-O-Matic's fault. I'm second, yay! Thank you. Okay, one more then, and I'll be ending that video. Please, please, next time, please, please. Most epic, okay. I don't know if I'll be epic, but I'll try. Yeah, party hats are epic. Spike color. This epic. This is pretty epic. Okay. Okay. Rice band is cool. This will be epic. I'm just sick. I hate coughing. I don't know if I spelled it correctly. Sorry. I'm speaking quietly again, I think. Okay, I'll vote you because you're epic. Your bunny is cool. My video time will run out in like 2 minutes. Okay. I'll answer her later because I actually made that video yesterday, but what? I mean, I'm making that video a day before, but I'm adding it like today, so yeah. Oh god, I really would like to make an Animal Jam music video. I have an idea to do What Does the Fox Say Animal Jam music video, but my video maker is just suck. Sorry for saying a bad word. And this is my place of sadness. I go here when I'm sad. Well, I don't know why. I think because of the music. It's, well, that music is relaxing and it's pretty sad, I think. Okay, so that's all for today's random video. Sorry. And so subscribe, like and comment for more videos, and please give me ideas. I can give some people a shout out if they give me some ideas. Well, if they give me a cool idea. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you on next videos. Bye.